Hey guys, it's Arusak here. So I got my BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe box. And I wanted to give you guys kind of like a heads up or a little preview of what I have inside this box in case you're interested in subscribing to BoxyCharm. They usually have a monthly subscription, but every so often they come out with the BoxyLuxe box, and it's $49.99 for that month instead of your usual mini box subscription, and there's a lot more stuff in here. So I'm gonna link down, if you are interested in joining BoxyCharm, I'll put my referral link down below, but again, you don't have to use that. That's just in case you do want to use that link. But let me give you a sneak peek into what's inside this box. So this is what the box looks like. It's inside, and it comes with like a bunch of things. You know, on the front it's going to say hello charmer, but this box is labeled, what is it, Levy and Rose. So it has like all the different products in there. Like, it's kind of bright, but it has like all the different products and the prices. So I'm going to quickly go through it with you and show you what I got. So I got this bag in there. It came with a little like makeup bag, which is kind of cool. I could always use makeup bags. I have a ton though. But it says that this bag, it's a train case actually. Its MSRP is $20. It's kind of a cool color. I like it. And then I got these Moda brushes. It says it's a soft power. I can't even talk. It says it's a soft glow and powder brush. That is MSRP, let's see, $29.99, and it says it's a 2-piece powder and soft glow kit. The ultimate duo, dynamic duo. So we'll see. I'll definitely be using it. I have a ton of brushes, so that's cool. And then I got this Cover FX palette. This MSRP is $45. And it comes with a highlighter, blushes, you have contour, a brightener, and a pressed finishing powder. But to me, I don't know, I'll have to see how it is. They seem like really pretty colors. So the next product is this Confidence in a Cream by It Cosmetics. It's for all skin types, and so we got this cream in there, and it says the MSRP for this is $48. That's kind of cool. Definitely have to try it. And then I got this Becca lipstick in the color Sorbet, and this MSRP is $24. And then I got these Lily lashes, and the Lily lashes MSRP is $24.99. And then I got this Wander Beauty Peel Off. It's a purifying and brightening mask. The MSRP for this is $34. And then I ended up getting these nail polishes. It's by Deborah Lipman. Pretty colors. And the MSRP for these are $20. And then I got this iconic London eyebrow cushion, and it is in the color medium. And it says the MSRP for this is $40. I really don't do my eyebrows. These are all natural. I've never filled them in or anything, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. I might give that to maybe my mom or one of my friends. We'll see. And then, last but not least, the Morphe palette, the 15N. Let me open it up so you can see what the colors look like. But the MSRP on this is $16. So this is what the palette looks like. It's actually pretty, it's like a plastic. It's called Nightmaster 15N, but it seems pretty sturdy compared to some of the other Morphe palettes that I have. But it's been a while since I've bought them. But these are the colors. Oh, they're so pretty. I like it. Definitely gonna have to try these out. But yeah, no, this is pretty much what I got in my box. Now it's empty. usually we get a lot of these foams, and just a little tip what I use it for. So if you need to like change the color on your brushes, like blush brushes or eyeshadow brushes, just go ahead and use this. I cut little pieces of it and I'll take it with me, you know, if like I'm on the go or anything, and I don't bring too many brushes with me. If you use this to brush your brushes, it actually will like change, it'll take off the color, which is kind of cool. So it's a little side tip that I have for you. But I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know if you guys subscribe to BoxyCharm. If you don't, make sure to subscribe. I think it's actually a really good deal. I've been a BoxyCharm subscriber for probably about 1.5 years, maybe a little bit more. I don't remember exactly, but I love it. I'm so happy with it. I'm actually kind of happy that they came out with this Luxe box, and I, you know, get to try different things. I love makeup, too much makeup, but it's lots of fun and I enjoy it. So if you want to subscribe or you've been kind of thinking about it, just go ahead and do it. If you don't like it, you can always stop. You're not stuck as long as you do the month to month. But yeah, definitely take care, leave a comment, make sure to like, comment, and also subscribe and hit that bell button if you want to be notified when I release new videos. Thank you for staying around, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, God bless, love you very much. Mwah. Bye. So let me wipe that out. I've been a BoxyCharm.